YouTube Wagwan, man. You know, it's your boy Clicked, and you're tuning into Click React, man. Today we got a fire video for you guys. It's part 1 and part 2 of the 10 most disrespectful moments in the NBA history, man. I don't know about you guys, but I love that shit, man. When basketball games get spicy, I'm all for that shit, man. I like seeing competition. I like seeing people getting in each other's faces. You know, you want to win, right? So it's a part of the game. So that's what we're going to be reacting to today. If you guys are new to the channel, I'll always welcome you guys to stay, man. You can hit that subscribe button. It's not hard to do, man. You can do it right now. Got it. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Turn on post notifications. Drop a like. You know, let me know what you think about these moments and which one is the funniest one to you, man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Allen Iverson caught a body. See, in the 2001 NBA
AI.
Finals, it was Lakers versus Sixers. And throughout Game 1, AI was untouchable, dropping 48 points.
Damn, I wish this guy was like, he got to play out his whole
NBA
career.
history.
Iverson, bothered by Lou. Iverson.
Tyrone.
How about that? Steps over Teron Lou. Like he was dead.
Teron Lou.
The Sixers by 4. 40 seconds left in overtime.
Man looked down and stepped over. Oh my god.
Man, that move was lethal. But at least it didn't ruin an entire team. Because in number
That shit was
8,
cold.
Damian Lillard destroyed an entire franchise.
Dame
with
Dollar.
one shot.
Shot clock is off. Portland has a timeout. Lillard.
This is how he ends the series.
Send the Thunder home. Lillard, long range 3.
Damn, bro. Damn. That's crazy.
Yeah, he called the game.
That shit was crazy.
And waved goodbye. This man Dame knows how to end things with a
I
bang.
forgot he did that, bro. That was so cold.
Because in number 7, he did something so disrespectful, it ended a marriage.
What?
See, back in the mid-2000s, Tony Parker and Brent Barry were great teammates.
I didn't even
Together,
notice.
They helped lead the Spurs to 2 NBA championships.
That's some
And
next
off the
news.
court, they were even better friends, attending each other's weddings, celebrating birthdays together, even their wives hung out. But in 2010, everything came crashing down when it was revealed that Tony Parker was sending Brent's wife hundreds of flirty texts. And
What?
it was clear that something or someone was going down. So shortly after, Brent divorced his wife, never talked to Tony again. Damn, Tony,
That's some snake
how you
shit,
gotta do your own
Tony.
teammate like that? That's savage.
We ain't rocking
As
with that, man.
savage as Charles Barkley in number 6. See, Charles has thrown shade at tons of people. Shaq, LeBron, Westbrook. But there's one man who got it the worst. And it ain't even close.
Steve?
In my opinion, I always phrase that. I don't want to be one of these idiots on these other networks act like they know everything about all sports. Skip Bayless.
Only thing I want to do is put my foot up Skip's
Oh
ass.
my god.
Okay. Hell. Let's see if Skip's up for that challenge.
I'm gonna
That's.
tell you something. If I could get Skip Bayless in a room,
And there we
they
go.
need DNA to find who it was when I got through with it.
This nigga hates Skip.
Like, if I get a disease and I'm gonna die, how about I get Skip Bayless in here and I kill him live on national television?
What is wrong with this man?
You kill him.
Yes.
Damn! This man Chuck is off his rocker. And
Damn, what did Skip do to
well,
him?
he's just scared for his life.
For about 15 years, Charles Barkley has
What did he do?
regularly and relentlessly said he would like to, and I quote, kill me. Again and again and again, Charles has said he would like to
Oh boy, you
kill
snitching now.
me. This
Come on now.
15-year onslaught has amazed me. It has amused me. But it has always confounded me because for the life of me, I have no idea why exactly Charles wants to kill me.
Charles might be going too far. That poor old man
That shit is so
shook.
funny.
But in number 5, the entire NBA was shook. Because in the 90s, players were being disrespected by a monster. 7'2", Dikembe Mutombo.
Oh, Jesus Christ, yeah.
This guy had the league by the balls. Because he was so massive. He was blocking everyone. And hitting dudes with his signature taunt, the finger wag.
Welcome to the house of Mutombo.
Yeah, that nigga voice scary. He sound like the Terminator. Boom.
But in 1997, Dikembe fingered the wrong man. Because after years of blocking Michael Jordan, he had the nerve to rub it in.
Mike, come on, man. Be for real, you haven't got me yet.
Huh?
Mike,
Don't even try it.
you want me to go call Scotty?
You have to call Scotty.
Boy.
What you gonna call Scotty for? I haven't got you recently. Yeah, I agree with
No,
that.
you haven't got me in 6 years. One, two, just go ahead and say it.
Dikembe.
No.
Never.
He said, I'll get you one day.
No. He never dunked on you.
Oh, it's about to happen now.
Highlight.
No.
This was just stupid. Because a
Very.
couple of months later, Dikembe went head-to-head with Jordan and got his ass humiliated.
Damn.
MJ. Oh, he did it! Oh, Michael shakes the finger, but he finally got his dunk on Mount Matumbo.
He never dunked on you. He never put you on
That's
the
so
highlight.
disrespectful when he did his finger whack back to
He said,
him.
I would love to give him my poster, but it's not happening.
It's not gonna happen.
Got him.
Yeah, Jordan got his revenge. But sometimes, the disrespect goes even
Shoulda
deeper
kept quiet,
than
man.
basketball. Because what happened in
my
number
God.
4 ruined
Yeah,
an
KD's a
entire
weird-ass nigga,
friendship.
bro.
See, in 2008, Kevin Durant and Russell Westbrook officially became teammates. And over the next few years, they turned into one of the
Snake.
greatest young duos in NBA history. But 2016 messed everything up. Because in the Western Conference Finals,
Snake shit, man.
Thunder choked, blowing a 3-1 lead to the Warriors and getting eliminated. And if that wasn't bad enough, just a couple of months later, things got even uglier when
Boy,
KD
jump
ditched
ship.
Russ to sign with the Warriors. And that alone was already disrespectful. But the worst part was, KD
Yeah, that was
didn't
a
even
fucked up
tell
thing.
Russ.
Yeah.
He found out on Twitter, like everyone else. And after everything they had been through, this was the most disrespectful thing KD
Facts.
could have done. So in their first matchup back at OKC,
Yeah, I think that was so shady of him, and literally KD actually moves like a Ute and tweets and all that shit like a weirdo. So I can see those weird ass shit coming from him. He beaked about Kyrie too recently being on his team with him. So I don't know. Weird people do
all
weird
hell
things, man.
broke loose.
This is the t-shirt they walked in with this morning. This is what's on the front,
Ah, it's clever.
and this is what's on the back. That would be a cupcake.
Stolen by Westbrook, but he couldn't hold on. As these former star teammates jawing at each other, forehead to forehead.
Are you and Katie on speaking terms?
Man,
Nah.
always a sad day when best friends turn to worst enemies.
Yeah, that's
and
some
with
fucked up
that,
shit.
we've hit the top
Oh.
3. So the disrespect is about to get devious. And we gotta start with Mr. Wardell himself, Stephen Curry. See, in 2019, Steph not only lost in the NBA Finals, but he also got injured and
Ay,
missed
ay,
the
ay.
entire next season. So by 2020, people were saying that Steph had officially fallen off.
The
Yeah.
question is,
Love to
how
talk,
many
man.
titles
People
in
always
the
gonna
next
talk.
4 years? So y'all gonna sit on First Take. You and Dominique Foxworth are going to sit on First Take and say that Steph Curry will not be in the conversation for a championship in the next 4 years.
Yeah, and over the next couple of
Embarrassed.
years, the haters stayed dissing Steph, saying he was washed up and he would never win a ring again. But in the 2022 playoffs, Steph made everyone eat their words. Because this dude went on a rampage, having the most disrespectful championship
That's my favorite player,
run
by the way, guys, if
in
you can't-
NBA
if you can't tell.
history.
3 to shoot. Curry, left hand.
Come on, man.
Not be stopped.
Sleep time.
Curry a 3. He got it.
Sleep.
Curry 3, rise and fire.
That's the silly man.
Fakes, fires 3-pointer.
Jeez. Yeah, that shit was greasy still. Definitely happy he won that
Yeah,
last one.
Steph put everyone to sleep, dissing his way to his 4th ring. But don't get it twisted. Disrespecting your opponent is not supposed to end this well. Because what LeBron did in number 2 was so disrespectful, it cost him a championship. See, in 2011,
I don't
he
remember
taken
this.
on the Mavs in the NBA Finals.
That's so embarrassing that him
Going
and Wade
into
never
Game
lost.
5, the series was tied at 2 when Dirk Nowitzki got sick.
The night before, I go home and I shiver a little bit. It started to get cold. I was like, I'll probably just need to go to bed and I'll be great tomorrow. But It just didn't happen that way.
The trainer comes in and says, Dirk's sick. Huh? Sick? What do you got? We're like, we got the flu. Oh, I said, oh, no. Not right now. Not in this moment.
Yeah, Dirk caught the flu in the middle of the finals.
And what, LeBron talked shit about
already
it?
a lot for him to handle, but things were made even worse by LeBron and Dwayne Wade. Because right before the game, they pulled up to the Mavs arena and made fun of Dirk for being sick.
Oh, did y'all hear me cough? I think I'm sick.
Stupid.
Hey, this weather, man. Weather is crazy.
Stupid.
This was a huge mistake, because when Dirk saw the clip, he was pissed.
Think of the video of Wade and LeBron coughing. Dwayne said that that was a real cough, by the way.
Well, I just thought it was a little childish, a little ignorant. You know, I've been in this league for 13 years. I never faked an injury or an illness before.
When LeBron and Wade started making fun of him by coughing when he got a little sick, that clip really hurt him. That he will never say it, but he really saw the tape, and that tape really hurt him, and that gave him a little bit extra that he didn't need, but it gave him a little extra to finish him off.
Yeah, the series became personal, and over the next 2 games, Dirk wanted to show everyone, so he annihilated the Heat, winning his first ever NBA championship and officially getting back at LeBron. Man, what a crazy way to end a beef.
Cough, cough.
Things are about to get a whole lot beefier, because for our number one most disrespectful moment, we gotta talk about Shaq and Kobe. See, in the early 2000s, these dudes were unstoppable, dominating the league and winning 3 titles in a row. And on the surface, it seemed like everything was all love.
Oh, just the beef between them when Kobe snitched?
Things were ugly, because Shaq and Kobe were on completely different wavelengths. While Shaq was slamming burgers by day and dunking by night, Kobe was locked in the gym for days on end. And those differences really pissed each other off. So they'd fight during practice, argue during games, and even trash talk each other to the media. But by 2003, the disrespect had gone too far, because during training camp, Shaq told reporters that the Lakers were his team, and if Kobe didn't like it, he should leave.
Interesting.
Kobe was having none of that. So the very next day, he sat down with ESPN and unleashed on Shaq, calling him fat, lazy, out of shape, a bad leader.
I don't even remember
He
that happening.
A guy selling donuts at 7-Eleven had more pride in his job than
my
Shaq.
God.
After that, whatever respect they still had for each other was gone. So later that season, after losing in the 2004 NBA Finals, Shaq and Kobe were through.
It's certainly a disappointing day in a lot of ways in Los Angeles. I mean, to say anything else, would not be telling the truth.
That was a crazy duo, man.
A big shift in the balance of power in the NBA as the league's most dominant player is headed back east, the newest member of the Miami Heat.
By this point, it seemed like this beef would never get squashed. But in 2009, everything changed. Because after avoiding each other for 5 straight years, Shaq and Kobe didn't want to hold a grudge anymore. So during the NBA All-Star Weekend, they teamed up one final time and put all the disrespect behind them.
Kobe's the best player in the league, so A+ on that side, and A+ for being a great guy, and he even let me take the trophy home today for my boys. So appreciate him for that. All right, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's nice that they hashed it, especially before Kobe died.
Shaq and Kobe were officially besties again. Man, despite all the disrespect and everything that happened, not only will Kobe and Shaq be remembered as
competitors,
NBA legends, but they'll be remembered as brothers too. That's beautiful.
100 OP.
It's crazy how talented these two are, on and off the court.